Hi, my name is Corinne Gillian, and I'm an occupational therapist here at Encompass Rehabilitation Hospital. And today I'm here with one of my former patients, Mimi.
Yes, oh Corinne, I am known as Mimi throughout social media. And when I had my knee replacement, my main concern was safety. So we made arrangements for me to come here when I got out of the hospital. And so when we got here, I thought, this is the place I need to be.
Yeah. And I know, Mimi, when you were here, you really wanted to get back to cooking, right? That was one of your top priorities?
That was one of my top priorities. I cook for my family on Sunday, and now I cook for the public. I don't serve them food, but I show them how to cook and how to make, things. I loved it here.
Yeah.
And I wanted to stay.
And I loved incorporating your meaningful activity of cooking into our occupational therapy sessions, right?
Yeah.
And we started from the beginning, making a list, getting the ingredients. I know I got the wrong butter, but we made it work, right?
We did.
And it's really important with occupational therapy. We're working on getting back to those meaningful activities. And cooking was your number one meaningful activity.
That's right. And so I really contribute my rehabilitation to y'all. I mean, it was so good. And we did therapy 3 times a day. It was just wonderful. I look forward to that time, that we'd have together. I'd either walk or get in and out of a car, walk up steps, walk down steps, things that seemed kind of elementary, really. I thought, wow, I'm doing this all over again, know. So it was wonderful.
Good.
I would have to say that. I had just the best experience. And it got me back to cooking, which is what I love to do. Corinne,
I know.
I love to cook.
That was your ultimate goal. So Mimi, I know when you first got here and we were talking, you said that one of your weekly traditions is having Sunday lunch with your family. Was that important to get back to?
That was very important. That was one of the most important things. It was very important for me to get back to cooking. My grandchildren, even my little great-grands, they look forward to coming to MeMe's on Sunday. So after church, we all gather together. We come to my house, and it's not only a time to eat food, which that really is the primary goal, but it's a time for us to be together, for us to connect, to find out what's going on during the week, and we do that over food.
Yeah.
And I have their favorite foods, I have one that loves mashed potatoes. He told his mama, he said, you can't make them like me. I said, she doesn't put enough butter in them.
Oh my goodness.
And so anyway, so that made a difference. And that was the big thing, was to get back so that I could cook every Sunday for my family, and we could just gather together and have such a good time.
Such a special time.
That's right.
So today, Mimi came back and she's gonna share another one of her recipes, the lemon icebox pie. I'm excited to learn from you, Mimi. You wanna go over what we have here for ingredients?
Now, you're gonna really learn today because we're using 3 ingredients.
Oh, that's simple for me. I think I can get that.
That's a good thing to start on,
True.
All right, so what we have is 2 cans of condensed milk, and then we're going to use 6 egg yolks, just the yolks, and then a cup of lemon juice. So,
nice.
All right, so
you're good at cracking these eggs.
Oh yeah.
I think you've had experience, huh?
That's
just a
right.
little bit.
Okay.
Can I try to crack one?
Yeah, you crack one.
Nice.
Okay, just put it right in there. All right, one more. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah. Now then, we just go empty our eggs in there, our egg yolks. Yeah. And then right.
What setting are we on, Mimi? About
Yeah,
medium
we
or
are
high?
on 6.
6. Okay.
Yeah. So we just go mix that.
Until the eggs are well incorporated?
Till they are well acquainted.
Oh, the catchphrase.
All right, now then, 1 cup of lemon juice.
Mm.
All right, just squirt that in there.
Gives it that fresh lemon flavor, huh?
Oh, yes.
I can smell that from here. It's smelling good.
All right, now then, we're just going to pour this in.
Great.
Okay, cut that back up.
Nice.
Okay, you want to get that top out for me?
Perfect.
Yeah. Now then. And now, you can make your own graham cracker crust if you want to. But today, we're going to, and normally, I will tell you, this is what I use.
Yeah.
I mean, it's easy, and this is all about easy.
Ooh, perfect.
Now then, we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees. And this is going to bake for 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. On the bottom rack.
Of course. And Mimi, remember last time you were here, you were using a walker and we were having to kind of show you how to safely navigate the kitchen with a walker. And now you graduated.
And now I can just, I tell you, I just feel like a free woman. Our pie came out of the oven and then it's chilled for a while. And so now, look at that, Corinne.
It's set up so nice.
Oh, yes. Okay. All right. So now we get to taste it.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
The best part.
All right. Let's see here. Got to cut all the way through that.
It's like you've done this before.
Oh, I think I have. Now then.
Ooh.
Voila. Oh, how beautiful. All right.
Ready to add some cream to the top. Nice.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Nice. Looks so good.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Ready to taste?
We are ready to taste. Oh, my goodness. This is the moment that I love.
Delicious.
That is good.
So good.
You know what? I think that'll help heal my knee.
For sure.
Thank you, Corinne, and thank you, Encompass Health, for getting me back to cooking.